Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across it, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. The formula for Ohm's law is voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. Or simply, V equals I times R. We can also rearrange the formula. Current equals voltage divided by resistance. And resistance equals voltage divided by current. To understand this better, imagine water flowing through a pipe. Voltage is like the water pressure, current is the amount of water flowing, and resistance is anything that restricts the flow. Higher pressure increases the flow, while greater resistance reduces it. Let's solve an example. A battery provides 12 volts and is connected to a 4 ohm resistor. Using the formula, current equals voltage divided by resistance. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Therefore, the current flowing through the circuit is 3 amperes. That's the basic concept of Ohm's law. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.